Papa.
Storks don't deliver babies anymore. A new phone this year. A little surprise goes a long way. You present me, made a baby.
Puppy.
Storks.
Baby girl. Being so. Come here.
Collection with an Australian pink sapphire to symbolize your true love. This is my personal collection, your symphony of light.